Hey guys, alright, so here we have a 2018 Jeep Compass. Car has roughly around 3,000 miles, so it's pretty much brand new. And went to start it up this morning and it's not starting up for us. The headlights are on, taillights are on, we have the engine light on in the inside. The car actually thinks it's on right now. As I go to open up the door right now, you'll see that it will say that it's on, but the car is not on. Let's go take a look. Tried starting it, but it won't start up. Okay, so it says vehicle on, if you can see that. Now, another message it says, it also says that the parking brake is on. So I try to release that. All I have to do is step on the brake and then push down on this button here and it should go off, but it's not going off. Okay, so we'll try to start it now and see if I have any luck. Okay, so press the button there. Actually, it turned it off that time. That has not happened before. Let's try to start it up. So I press the button and it thinks the car is on, but it's not. So I'm hoping that this is just a dead battery. If you guys have any ideas, suggestions, please let me know. I think for right now, since I got it to turn off, I'm gonna see if I can do that again. Oh well, it didn't do that before. I'm gonna see if I can put this on the battery charger and hope that's just a battery, but we didn't leave any lights on last night, so don't see how it could be that. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, well, since the last video, we're sitting in the 2018 Jeep Compass that wouldn't start. Last time I tried, I was able to turn the lights off at least on the inside, because before it wasn't responding to anything. Got it to turn off, and then believe it or not, I was messing around with it a little more, and I pressed the button and it fired right up. So let's take a look here, see if it fires up again. Look at that. So I'm not sure what that was all about. If you guys ever experienced any issues like this in a Jeep Compass or any other Jeep, let us know, because it's a big inconvenience. If you got to go to work in the morning and your car is not starting up, it took me about a solid 30 minutes of trying. Tried looking online, couldn't really find any information, so not sure what the cause is. I know it's cold outside, it's about 15 degrees outside, and in the garage here we're looking at 33 degrees. So my camera isn't focusing that well right now. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like these videos, please like us, please subscribe. We have a lot more exciting videos to come. Next week we're going to the International Auto Show in Toronto. Should be really exciting. The Koenigsegg Jira RS will be there, and a lot of cool cars. Take a look outside. Keep this car running for a couple minutes. Have my 2015 Civic Si over here. We'll do a review on that one coming. I also have an E46 330i ZHP It's a fun car. I just don't drive it in the wintertime. It's too low. It's never seen salt, so it's my daily driver for now. But do a video on that too. Alright, thanks everyone.